this video, you're about to see some crazy acrobatic basketball stunts, and I'm gonna show you 5 tips in 1 minute to make the most out of your Crane-M2 with an action camera. Let's start with the most important. Use the different gimbal modes. For example, the best POV mode. Press the mode button twice and then you can follow any movement the way you want. Tip number 2, choose the widest field of view on your action camera or even super view mode to get everything in the frame and turn off the stabilization, because that's why you have a gimbal. The next one, when you are in POV mode, you can just flip the camera upside down and get close to the ground to get a unique angle. Get close to the action to make it more epic and choose the high frame rate modes for some smooth slow motion. And my last tip for you is to press the mode button once for locking mode and make a hyperlapse.